What's up guys, it's Dahlia here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, so you know what, in my home, I'm going to give you a room tour or a house tour. So this is my couch that I was been sitting on it. Here's my greeny chair. Right here is the same color as my shirt. And I have my puffy. And then my mother's desk over here. And let me show you the rest. First I need to get to the kitchen. I'll see you guys there. Boom guys. So yeah, here at my sleeping bag. Well, it's kind of comfy here. I don't sleep downstairs. Actually, I sleep upstairs with my mom and daddy. And then you know what is impossible? I need to show you something. Let me show you the TV. See you guys in there. And here we are. That's a TV. Oh, a TV has meshes. Never mind. So today we are outside now, and then we are making a video. My mom is calling my adult. You want to see guys? Hi! Kalisha! My cousin. Do not bother her. Never mind. So today we are going to do a video, and then I'm going to show you guys my cousin. Apa?
Kakak Alisha deh.
Kakak buat video. Guys, watch this. Look. Say hi. Channel saya. Channel. Okay guys, don't bother them. Thank you.
Bau kau balik bau?
So you guys, so this one is my thingy thing.
Tadi dengar tak?
And I will become to that mug. Okay. Let's go. This one is
Kakak telefon balik.
the thing. And then I will see you guys in the part 2. Bye guys.